Welcome back. Right now we have People's Health Clinic right here in studio. Beth is here with Betsy to tell us all about what they're doing to help raise funds for individuals. They care for people who are uninsured in Wasatch and Summit counties. Thank you so much, both of you, for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. And Beth, let's start with you. You look so festive. Tell me more about today.
So today is, as you know, Park City's annual Day of Giving. So all of the, or a lot, most of the nonprofits in town, over 100, have signed up to go on to livepc.org, and you scroll through and you find the nonprofit that you want to support. Hopefully you'll scroll down to the P's and get to People's Health Clinic, and you just click donate and you can go in and support whatever nonprofit or as many nonprofits as you want to. You can start, a lot of people have already gone in and started. This year it's about the individual donors, so we're just asking as many people as possible to donate to us, but to donate for you and your children under different emails. And the more people that donate, the better chance that we have of moving up that leaderboard.
There you go. Great way to put it. And Betsy, you have a very big, important day job, but you also help with the People's Health Clinic. So tell me a little more about why that's such a priority to you.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, it's been a priority from a very early piece of my childhood. My parents divorced and my mom did not have health insurance, and I was going to go into kindergarten and I had to get my vaccine. So in the hometown where we grew up, we went to a clinic, and they really were the ones that got my brothers and I safe and sound and ready to go to school. And so I've always wanted to give back to a clinic and be involved with it. So when I moved to Park City and met Beth and understood what their mission was, it was an instant marriage of my background, my love, my concerns of life, and I couldn't be happier being part of it with her. But she's really the person that leads this spirit, and it's just lovely to catch part of that, that wave, and just remember why it's so important, and that anybody may need to go to a clinic, and they provide that, and it's just remarkable.
It very much is. And this also plays into what you do with Sundance, because nonprofits working together, they help all of us.
Oh, they really do. And, you know, I think it's this lovely group, this neighborhood, this consortium, this love of trying to give back whatever your mission might be. And our mission is very specific. Hers is fantastic, and that's why I'm part of it. And during the festival, when we have Sundance Film Festival, there are a lot of people coming in from around the world and around the United States that may not have health insurance. And so we've been very lucky to establish this relationship that on a need basis, that should somebody need help or medical care of some sort that don't have health insurance, we've really worked well together and trying to make sure everybody stays safe. So it's really been lovely.
And you make such a good point, Betsy, in that the People's Health Clinic is exemplary in what they're doing with people that come here all over the world, and to see how much the clinic impacts our local community. So with these funds, there's so much that can be done with them, but what do you hope, Beth, specifically to do with what's raised today?
Well, this is one of our largest fundraisers of the year. We have two others, of course, Walk in Line for Women's Health, and then we're going to, next year in 2022, bring back Healthy Laughs. But this Day of Giving, which started now 11 years ago, we had no idea it was going to become that big of a benefit to the clinic. So it's about 10% of our annual budget. And this year we're hoping to get around 130,000. Last year we did 103. So we have a higher goal set, and so it'll be a very busy day. With those funds, it's just for our general expenses. It's keeping the lights on, if you will. As you know, we provide health care to the uninsured of two counties, both Summit and Wasatch, which is the size of Delaware. So there's a lot of people in need. And we also take care of, we had a gentleman come in this morning. I was just over at the market setting up there, and he said, you know, I just moved to town. I'm only here for 6 months. I'm going to be a ski patroller. And he said, but I don't have insurance. And I said, well, if anything happens, come and see us. And I said, as long as you don't have insurance and you have an address in Summit or Wasatch County, we can take care of you. And he was just so excited about it. And I said, don't wait till you're sick. Come in and get a well visit and let us check you out. Just like you and I go to get our annual appointment, we provide that same service, along with primary care, chronic care, dental, vision through Epic Promise for our kiddos. We have mental health services. So we really run the gamut, everything except emergency services, or of course, you know, we provide resources if you need a surgery. but we provide everything else but those emergency services.
And I'm sure, Betsy, that as an influential member of the community and as someone who's very involved with Park City for your career, that you see definitely the impact of the People's Health Clinic in your day-to-day life.
Well, it's really remarkable because it is about health. It's keeping everybody healthy, happy, and wanting to participate even in a bigger footprint within the city. And that's what it takes. It takes all of us to make Park City what it is. It's such a unique environment that if we don't start with the fundamental piece of keeping people healthy and happy, but health is first, that's what she does. That's what People's Health Clinic does. So please donate from People's Health Clinic. But it is that fundamental right that we should have, and that's what they provide. And I just can't, I think the world of what they do. It's remarkable, to be honest.
And the pandemic really highlighted how important People's Health Clinic is to our organization. You helped in so many different ways with testing, vaccines, getting information out to individuals. So you can't do this for free. I know it's an obvious statement, but you provide health care at no cost. Many people are able to contribute if they want to this care, but it's really a testament to how great your care is. And this is Comprehensive Health Home is your new initiative, thanks to Dr. Leining. So lots of good places that this money is going.
Yes, it is so true. And it's interesting that this week we've been asking our patients if they would like to make a donation for Live PC, Give PC, and the response has been overwhelming. They are so grateful for the care that they get. And to be honest, we have, you can get an appointment with our rheumatologist in about a week, and try getting an appointment with a rheumatologist anywhere in the state of Utah. So our patients get just quality, high level of care, as well as good a care as you and I would receive anywhere. So, and then we pride ourselves on that. And that's because all of our volunteers are people who have retired here to Park City. They could live anywhere in the world and they choose to Park City, and they are people that come to us that, like Dr. Leining, who are remarkable in their professions, and they choose to be with us.
Very well said. Both of you. We're excited to see how much People's Health Clinic raises today. Thank you so much, Betsy and Beth, for being here.
Oh my gosh, it's all about Beth. It's about People's Health Clinic, and I'm proud to be on her board, and it's just lovely.
And we're always proud to highlight you. So thanks for being here once again.
Thank you.
All right, head to Live PC, Give PC. You can see exactly how well your favorite nonprofits are doing. And the People's Health Clinic is definitely one of our favorite nonprofits. So if you can, please donate to them. And be sure to tune in to Park City Television at 5:30 p.m. We will let you know exactly how all of these nonprofits are doing, update you on the numbers and more in real time with the Park City Community Foundation. So People's Health Clinic, you can find their website online, peopleshealthclinic.org. Also, if you need health care, don't hesitate to reach out to them. We'll be back with more right after this.